Alright, so I'm going to be quickly showing you how to do this transition on Premiere Pro. Now, just drag and drop your files. So for example, the bus one goes at the top. And now just skip to the part where the doors slide open. So that is right here. And just cut. You're not going to be using all of this unless you want to do like the train comes. Or for this case, no. Since it's a little bit horizontal, I'm going to zoom in. And now, from the moment the door opens a tiny bit, for example here, you're going to click this pen tool and select like that. Select the corners, make sure it's exact. Then it'll look like this. What you need to do now is click invert. And then obviously, most importantly, make a keyframe, because if not, it won't be working. And I'll put this clip on there. And then skip to the part where the doors are fully open. And once again, go to mask. Just expand. Like that. And then here you have amazing transition. It looks a little bit weird, but you can definitely fix it up. That's basically the whole transition. Then you can carry on for the rest of your video.